You know, we are the researchers, and what do we want? We want that we have a population and we have sample. Then we have population mean and we have sample mean. And what we really want, we want that our sample mean should exactly 100% equal to the population mean. We all researchers wish that our sample mean that we study should exactly 100% equal to the population mean. But in practical life, in real life, in this materialized life, it gonna never happen that your sample mean will always be 100% equal to the population mean. So now, what is the solution to the problem? Always students, researchers really confused about this. If our sample mean is not 100% equal to the population mean, then why we are doing this research? What is the main purpose of our research? My dear student, the sample mean, if the sample mean is not 100% equal to the population mean, then at least sample mean should nearly equal to the population mean. If sample mean is not 100% equal to the population mean, then at least sample mean should nearly equal to the population mean. This is the main purpose of the research, and here comes the word SEM. And here comes the word SEM. SEM does not mean structural equation modeling, but SEM means standard error of the mean. SEM means standard error of the mean. SEM also can be represented by structural equation modeling, but SEM also means standard error of the mean. So what is standard error of the mean? You have one population and you draw sample 1 from population, then you draw sample 2 from the population, then you draw sample 3 from population, and then you draw sample 4 from the population, and then you make mean of sample 1, mean of sample 2, mean of sample 3, mean of sample 4. It means you have drawn 4 samples from population. Please, here with me, please understand this point. You have one population, but you have drawn 4 population from, but you have drawn 4 samples from population. You have one population, but you have drawn 4 samples from population. You have one population, but you have drawn 4 samples from population. It means you have 4 sample means, and now you want to compare the sample means with population. This is called the standard error of the mean. When you compare the sample means with population, this is the standard error of the mean. When you compare the sample means with population and you want to check whether our sample mean is equal to population mean or not, or whether our sample means nearly equal to the population mean or not, this is the standard error of the mean in simple words. I hope you got this point.